Welcome back to Latest Trends of Education, where we delve into the cutting-edge developments shaping the future of education. Today, we're exploring the fascinating realms of artificial intelligence, AI, and human intelligence, HI, and how they intersect in our rapidly evolving world. Hello, everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the definitions of AI versus HI, straight from various sources. Defining artificial intelligence, AI. Let's start by defining artificial intelligence. AI, in essence, refers to computer systems endowed with human-like attributes, such as critical thinking, decision-making capabilities, and heightened productivity. AI characteristics: critical thinking, decision-making, productivity. But where does AI draw its inspiration? It's rooted in human insights, distilled into algorithms that empower machines to tackle tasks ranging from the mundane to the immensely complex. Human insights AI algorithms. From robotics to computer vision, AI encompasses a wide array of applications, revolutionizing industries and redefining what's possible in the digital age. Now, let's pivot to human intelligence. Defining human intelligence, HI. Unlike AI, human intelligence is deeply intertwined with our individual experiences, genetics, and interactions with the world around us. It's the culmination of our unique blend of creativity, perception, and memory. High traits: creativity, perception, memory. Our ability to adapt, learn, and shape our environment sets us apart, fueling innovation and progress in every facet of life. Adaptability. Innovation. While AI and HI are sometimes used interchangeably, they're distinct entities. AI mimics cognitive processes like learning and problem-solving, while HI embodies the essence of human thought and expression. So, what's the takeaway? While AI excels at streamlining tasks and processing data, it's no match for the depth and nuance of human intelligence. AI, data processing, Hawaii, depth, and nuance. In the ever-evolving landscape of education, understanding the nuances between AI and HI is essential for preparing students to thrive in a world where both man and machine collaborate to shape the future. That's all for today's exploration into AI versus HI. Stay tuned for more insights on the latest trends shaping education, only here on Latest Trends of Education. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, keep learning and innovating.